Hello plonkers, Dad's God's Lass here. So we're halfway through the 12 Days of Christmas vlog challenge. So I thought I'd give you a wee bit of an update on my song that is continuing to grow throughout the 12 Days of Christmas. I started 12 Days of Christmas with something completely different in mind, and it's like twisted and turned into this Christmas song that is all the stuff that I would want for Christmas, and I'm actually enjoying this twist that it took. I went down this avenue a bit crazy. The song now goes, we're starting from 6, remember. The full song will be up to 12. On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 6 penguin biscuits, 5 cakes of corn, 4 Liverpool blokes, 3 Bronte sisters, 2 Jimmy Choos, and Jamie Oliver sauteed chicken on a stick. Yay! I finally got it right. That is the 6 days of Christmas, or 12 days of Christmas divided by 2. I know for sure that I'm going to cock it up completely, so it's going to take lots of takes to get this 12 days of Christmas just perfect for you plonkers. I killed a bull, and I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back and check out the full version of the song with many edits. Cheers for now, bye.
Stick around.